Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech. Here in this tutorial I will guide you on how you can make money from YouTube without creating your videos. Alright, without creating videos yourself. You're not going to be using any of your video, you're going to be getting them all for free without you creating them. Alright, you can use them directly or maybe make a little touch on the video by re-editing, then upload to your channel and make money directly. Alright, but in case you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay, subscribe to our YouTube channel. You like our video, then you drop a comment. In case you're confused about anything, we will attend to you in the comment box. Alright, so the basic thing you should do now is just subscribe to our YouTube channel. Alright, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Alright, so now in this video tutorial, like I promised, what I'm going to be guiding you on is how you can use your video to make money from affiliate and other products online, okay, without you getting monetized. Alright, so you mustn't be monetized on YouTube channel for you to start making money on it. Alright, you can run other affiliate product or program on this channel and you make a lot of money by uploading people's video. Alright, so let's assume what I'm trying to draft out now is your YouTube channel. Alright, so like the first circle here is your channel logo and the other one is the channel banner. Alright, so now this is channel 1 2 3. Okay, let's just assume it's ABC or 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, that's channel, another channel, another channel. Okay, these are about 6 different channels that are posting 6 different content. Okay, some might be insurance, some will be about biography, and others about technology, science, and cryptocurrency, scholarships, education, all of those stuff. All right, so now you have this, you're going to be choosing a niche. I know you're not going to be creating any video on your own, but you still need to choose a niche you'll be getting the video for. All right, so when you have that niche, then you know how to leverage your own video type and use affiliate links and make a whole lot of money, even CPA. Alright, so you might not be monetized on YouTube channel, but you can still use it to make a whole lot of money on YouTube channel without making your own video. Alright, you don't need to make any video to succeed here. Alright, so in case you're new to the channel, like I said always, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Alright, so now let's go to youtube.com. Go to youtube.com. You're going to be searching for the keyword you want to promote. Okay, maybe you have an offer in searching in certain keywords related to your YouTube channel. You can just create or maybe set this offer via your YouTube channel. All right, so now let's say latest iPhone. Okay, so when you come here, you will see a lot of suggestion by Google. All right, since you have a lot of suggestion by Google, what you should do is to know if you can reuse this content. All right, so you should know if you can reuse this content, and for you to know, you go to the filter. Okay, you're going to be going up, then we go and filter this, then choose Creative Commons. Creative Commons means that you're going to be using people's content without being penalized. All right, but you need to follow the basic rules, which is for you to give them appropriate reference, or maybe you just subscribe to the premium to get qualified for the whole thing. All right, but that isn't the problem. All right, that isn't the problem. Just for the video, when you choose Creative Commons and you choose when the video was last posted, right, and then try to weigh the traffic to avoid posting a video without reasonable or maybe vital points. Okay, to do this, you just need to follow the procedure, you read what you see on the description, and then you are good to go. There are numerous videos you can get in these categories. All right, there are numerous videos. Okay, so the thing to do is just for you to just follow the process I mentioned here. Follow the process. You can promote product as they are promoting on this very page you see. Okay, you can just promote on your own page on YouTube, and you are good to go. All right, so please, in case you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. All right, thank you.